So all I've done to hook up the lights, it's a universal adapter kit, I guess you call it, plug and play kit from Perception Lighting. Literally piggybacks off your headlight to know when it's on high beam. Switch runs into the cab, which I've just got mine sitting just here, nice and neat. On off, pretty easy. That's for the driving lights. Then the driving lights obviously run down through out the back of the grille there, but the roof light I actually drilled through here, just put a few holes to hold the cable up so it makes it nice and neat, and I run it up the inside of the window. So sneaky all the way up. Bit of silicone just to hold it in place, because I did find that it popped out every now and then. Now I've just got a cable tied at the top. So there you have it, guys. Now I've pointed it out, you're probably like, see it all the time in all your photos, but run it pretty neat. It's a good little sneaky spot to run it, especially if you've got a snorkel. You don't normally notice it unless you're at the very up close to it or up the top there. So that's a little spot where I run it. You can run it any way you want, but I think that's the best. Anyway guys, I'll bring you some more videos soon. Have a good one.